Welcome to Food Friday, everybody. I am Samy Bee, Samara, and today we are making, I'm so excited for this recipe, Tater Tot taco salad. It's taco salad, but with tater tots in it. So I don't know if you guys have a taco time where you live or like a Taco Bell, but where I'm from, we got taco time, and what you typically get is a taco, whether it's or a burrito, I guess softer. You can do the hard shell, and Mexi fries, which are like tater tots. They are so freaking good, and I thought, what if we mix it all together? So that's what we're gonna do today. Actually, this was Clayton's idea. I cannot take credit for this. So let's just get right into it. Right now we are starting with our ground beef. I apparently don't have lean ground beef. This is regular, so it's gonna be very oily. So don't put any oil or nothing in with it. I am gonna slow cook mine because I run on, that's really loud. I run on solar panels, solar power. So for me, cooking on the slow cooker is free. I don't have to use gas or anything. So let's, there's my slow cooker. Let's dump this right in. Just like that. Done. Okay. Next, what we're gonna do is add some seasonings to it, and then I'm gonna go put the lid on and go for a walk with Boris. This is our new favorite trail. It's just so beautiful, a mixture of pine and birch and poplar, and there's nobody out here but us. It's so beautiful. I did hear a pack of coyotes, like probably at least 5K away. I was a little nervous, but we made it to our halfway point and turned around, so I thought I heard them again. We're fine. So I just wanted to show you guys this. So beautiful, and I will be coming back here so much because I love it here. All right, we're back from our walk, and you could tell that there is a lot of oil in here. Lots. And the meat is just slightly pink. It looks more pink on the camera than it does in real life. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop the meat out. I think actually, yeah, I'm gonna scoop the meat out and drain the oil. And then I'm gonna put it back in, and then I'm gonna season it. I'm just debating on like whether I want to just crisp it up in the frying pan, because like it's relatively cooked, and then I'll just put it in there, crisp it up. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. The rest of this little beefy stuff in here, I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm going to give it to my doggo, because I know there's lots of like little pieces. So now we're gonna season the beef. This is what we're using to season the beef with. So you can see I sprinkled a nice layer of signature steakhouse rub, and I am also going to chop up this garlic and put it in there. I got my favorite Sushi House soy sauce, some Worcester, and just a tiny little bit of Frank's. Our taco meat is done. Sample it to make sure it's what you want. This is amazing. All right, so we're gonna start with a base of lettuce, or you can even get a salad kit from the grocery store. So whatever you really prefer, or you can mix and match. You can do some kit, some lettuce, whatever you're feeling. This is kind of neat because it comes with like spices. This is the guacamole crunch flavor. So we are gonna actually add extra guac to it. We're gonna top it off with this. So set that aside. We're gonna top it with these, set that aside. It's just kind of a little extra. I cut the tops off because these weren't, there were some slim pickings at the grocery store. So peel off the nasties, and then as much green onion as you want. I'm probably gonna do quite a bit because it's really good in taco salad. Next we're using some cilantro. Use lots. It goes really well with taco meat. So now we're gonna use some avocado. Depending on if you like avocado or not, you can use as much as you want. However you prefer to cut your cotto. Big squares. And then scoop it out into the salad. And the most special piece is the tater tots. I cook them probably in the oven, but we don't have one, so barbecue it is. Cut up some tomato. I just have baby tomatoes, so if you have baby tomatoes too, just slice them in like halves. A squirt of lime. Now I am just mixing the taco meat in with the entire salad, as well as mixing the cheese in with it. And now we're gonna mix the tater tots in with the salad. So now we're gonna mix in the tots in with the salad. You don't have to do all of them if you feel like it's gonna be too much. It's always fine to have these left over on the side if you want to have them maybe left over for another day. But just a couple scoops and I think that's perfect. Now we're gonna take some salsa and drizzle it on the top as well. Here's a little secret, since it's taco night. I put 2 cold beers in the freezer right before you're about to serve dinner.
You want some lime in yours?
Yeah. If you guys make this, please hashtag Food Friday with Samy Bee. I know you're going to enjoy it just as much as we are. Also, feel free to dip some organic rounds, some tortilla chips. You can kind of scoop the food and eat it as well. It's always a good. Then it's kind of like having a taco shell.